Superb flavour, packed with fibre, nutty and earthy with a hint of sweetness. Fresh artichokes are surprisingly easy to prepare. You'll need a cutting board, serrated knife, a paring knife, a spoon, 2 lemons, a bowl, and your artichoke. When life gives you lemons, cut the lemons in half and squeeze them into a bowl of cold water to make a lemon bath. Then take your artichoke and trim the end of the stem. Now, cut off the top half. We're only using the soft heart. Peel off the harder outer layer. Next, scoop out the fluffy, feathery centre. Last but not least, give the artichoke a lemon bath. Make sure no part is untouched. And now your artichoke is ready to cook. Steamed, boiled, grilled, roasted, the options are endless. Enjoy!